and welcome again to another episode. In today's tutorial, I am going to be teaching you how to add a YouTube video in your HTML code. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, so let's get started. So to get started, we're going to be using the same resource that we have so far, which is w3schools.com, as you already know. And we're going to be studying today in the HTML media section. You have to go to the HTML YouTube section for media, okay? The same website we have been using so far, which is the one we have been working in here. And in our last chapter, I actually taught you guys how to input an audio file in here. So if you haven't checked that video, make sure to go back and check it out. It's really easy and it's not gonna take much of your time to learn how to input an audio file here, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into a YouTube video here. So the first thing that you want to do to add a video is use an iframe, okay? So that way you are able to display a YouTube video. Now in this example, I'm going to be using the same link that it's inside of W3 Schools because this is super easy to do. I already taught you guys how to add an iframe before. So if you want a deep explanation about iframes, you can go back to our previous chapters, go to my channel and check out that video because it has more information. In this one, I am only focusing in teaching you how to add a YouTube video, okay? So let's go with the iframe. We have to add the iframe first. So for that, we have to use the iframe element. So let's go ahead and do that right after the audio. I want to add an iframe. Okay, now inside of this iframe, we need to make sure that we input the iframe source, okay? So I already included the iframe. Let's just delete those two lines. And I am going to use the source attribute to name our YouTube link. So this is a YouTube video. Let's go ahead and select another one. Maybe we can find something else on the web here that we can use. Actually, let's go to my channel here. And okay, let's go ahead and add a video here for my channel. Okay, so there I am. I don't know, let's just select entities. Okay, perfect. So to add here this video, what you have to do is go ahead and you have to hit here where it says share, okay? Share, and you have to select embed, I'm sorry. Okay, and when you hit embed, YouTube already gives you the embedded source code that you can right away copy and paste into your HTML code. So we don't even have to input the iframe element. This is super easy because YouTube already gives us the link in how we can upload this video into our site. So let's just go ahead and copy this. We're gonna copy this and let's go back to our code. I'm going to delete the iframe source that I was copying here. Okay, and I am going to simply paste the entire code from my YouTube channel. Okay, here, as you can see, it gives me a width, a height of my video, the source, which is the link of my YouTube video. It gives me the border. It gives me more information like autoplay and some other attributes here. If you want, you can go ahead and research a little bit more in how to use those at w3schools.com. It's super easy. Right now, I'm just teaching you how to add the iframe, okay? So once you have added this, you have copy and paste all this information here. What we have to do is simply save this. And now let's go back to our website and I'm just gonna hit refresh. As soon as I do that, as you can see here, right next to my audio, I have the iframe with my YouTube video. Now let's hit play and let's see.
And welcome to another episode in saying that this is not right.
So the right way to input characters. Okay, so there you go. So that's my YouTube video. That's how you can input a video inside of your HTML source code by using an iframe. I think that was very easy, very fast, and self-explanatory. But if you're new, you're probably going to have questions. Make sure to go to w3schools.com, go to the YouTube section, and read a little bit more in how you can add more attributes and some other tools with iframes into your HTML code. So that was our quick tutorial for today, everybody. If you have any questions, as always, you can leave them as well in the comment section below. I always check them out and I reply as soon as I can. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And as well, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to it because I always am uploading new information, valuable information with tutorials to help you out in your web development journey. And remember that you can always ask Lixi. Bye everyone. See you again in the next episode.